you're prepared to break the silence, I'll be out in the sunshine, running beside the lions. I've been feeling down, but I've been looking up.
Welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. What are you seeing? Everybody know that EURUSD have reacted to 1.000 price, and it even break 1.00 price to as low as 0.9 something price, and now it went up to a price of around 1.02736. This is in a higher time frame analysis, H4 and H1. This tells us the beginning of next sell impulse move, or impulse move, and that is what happened, and that's why I went down. Like, I make a put or I stake down. Like, I believe that this market is going to sell or is going to go down within 2 hours or 3 hours. I usually use 2 hours or 3 hours. Currently this is 3 hours. We have about 2 hours plus left. No matter what happens, this market is going to win, because in 2 to 3 hours the price is going to drop further. In fact, it's not going back to the trend line. Even if it struggle to come up here or come up here, it will drop again. This time is mathematically correct. I get in the 2 hours to 3 hours is mathematically correct. You won't understand because we have the powers.
You've got it if you're prepared to break the silence.